for an adventure. We're going to do some farming on a different farm. What are we doing today?
Cut Toddy Fruit.
Cutting some toddy. If you saw my video when we went to the Mekong River, I had a toddy in my Americano coffee. We're going to cut some trees. Are we getting the fruit or cutting the tree down?
Fruit.
Oh, we're going to get the fruit from the tree. Look at doggy coming. Well, these memories of being on my grandfather's farm, sitting on the back of the truck. Good memories.
Fine. ไปด้านสูง
Jungle now. Jungle? We've got mangoes all over the floor. Mangoes. There's mangoes everywhere. And I think we're going to try to get toddy from this tree. Mango everywhere. Some mangoes on the tree, green mangoes. Bamboo. Got some bamboo. Old mango. Which one? Cassava. Cassava here. I don't know what that is. I'll have to put a photo.
มันสับปะหลัง Milk powder.
and they go looking for mushrooms around here. Mango everywhere.
Yeah, this mango garden.
Whose farm is this? Whose land is this?
Yeah.
Who? Whose land?
Now, mom
Oh, your mum's land?
and auntie.
Mum and auntie's land.
โอ้โหได้ปะล่ะนี่อันนี้
เราน่าจะเอาถังเก็บมะม่วงเลย
ถึงจะหันเขาเอาเม็ดมันจะงวยใหญ่ต้น
เก็บยังไงล่ะปีนเอาเหรอ
ก็ปู่จะขึ้น Very high up the toddy. How are we going to get the toddy down? It's all the way up there.
Cut the
Cut some bamboo.
and then put some what is called meat knife.
A knife on top of the bamboo
Yeah.
and cut.
Yeah.
Has to be long bamboo.
Yeah, my dad say he will go off mango tree
Yeah.
and then it's a long bamboo and cut.
Oh,
Like that.
I couldn't do that. Are you good at climbing trees? You good at climbing tree?
Yeah, when I young like this,
Yeah.
I come.
Climb. Oh. Got some bananas, green bananas. A bunch of bananas right there. Someone's just collecting all mangoes. I think I might have to put mosquito repellent on.
Yeah, spray.
Sugar cane.
Mm-hmm.
Sugar cane. Oh, this is they eat it and it tastes
Yeah, like a ginger.
ginger. Yeah, they eat the flower. What about here? What grow here?
Cassava.
Same. Cassava. Don't know. Do you use it for cooking or just as a plate?
Fresh.
Oh.
อาส้มตบมือให้หรือว่าตบหน้า
ตบยุง
Oh, put the spray on.
โอ้เห็ดเบื่อเต็มเลย
How old's your dad?
โอ้จะไม่เสียจังเลยจกลงมาแตก
58, 59.
59. He's going to climb up a tree. I can't climb up a tree. Too old. Strong man.
อะไรเนี่ยลิงวอกเหรอปูเกิดปีอะไรเนี่ยปูเกิดปีอะไร
ปีมะเมีย
ปีอะไรล่ะ
มะเมีย
แล้วคือปีอะไรล่ะแกะสัตว์อ่ะ
ปีแบ่ปีแพะ
ปีแพะเอาหู
ปีอายไหม
ตายสิดูที่มันปีชาติสุดว่างเรื่องค่ะตกลงมาไม่ได้ช่วยนะทิ้งไว้นี่แหละ
อย่าพูดสิไม่เป็นอะไร
He's almost there. He's got one leaf in the way, one branch of the toddy tree in the way. And then you can see all the toddies. Or coconut, look like coconuts. But he's got to get this leaf out of the way, this branch. Bingo. Oh, many. This is Toddy. I don't know what the English name. We'll put the name of Toddy in English. So you're gonna use the fruit inside, yeah?
Yeah.
It's like sweets.
Sweet and juicy.
Sweet and juicy. Good job, Dad.
Vâng đây là Vô hiên sầm hộp.
Careful your fingers.
Ding dong.
Toddy.
Yeah.
So that was in my coffee the other day.
You is up.
Very light melon flavour. A bit like a melon, or a bit like a grape actually. Grape texture.
I like that.
Bit sweet. Don't eat the skin, just the fruit.
Pô đi.
Good. Do you put it in any cooking? Just eat as a fruit.
No, make a dessert.
Desserts. For desserts.
There's a peel, and then there's a put sugar and steam, and then put a coconut milk.
So for dessert.
When you eat, you put ice.
Yep. Ice.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Still fresh.
Good. I'd be so tired by now. So this one, no good. It's too hard.
Yeah. It's older.
Older. And you can't tell from the color of the
Yeah.
looks similar, yeah?
No.
You can't really tell from the outside.
From outside, it's black more, and this dark more.
So that one's too hard. As some would say, done. So he's cutting down as many as he can. Even the old ones cut down, because then the regrowing process can start faster, maybe. There's so many up there. With age, they do drop, eventually just drop. Just like coconuts, I guess. You got to be careful not to be under them. Got our haul. Not bad, not bad. How much do they sell for? Got mangoes too.
Yeah.
Bag full of mangoes. How much?
Oh, get money.
Lots of money. Gold.
มันนี่
Have you enjoyed this adventure? Some she looks like she's a kid again. It reminds of her childhood, baby. I hope you enjoyed this adventure. See you for the next one. Oh my god.